Hey everyone, and welcome to another Easy Build video where you can learn to build a professional grade website quickly and easily without any prior experience or coding required. I'll be adding new content to this channel on a regular basis, so if you want to keep up with the latest website building tips, just click the like and subscribe buttons below the video. So in order to use WordPress, you'll first need to register a domain name, which is what people type in the browser address bar to get to your website, and you will also need to set up a website hosting account and install WordPress. For this demonstration, I already have WordPress installed and set up. If you need help with domain registration, hosting setup, and WordPress installation, just head over to easybuild.works for free step-by-step tutorials on how to do that. Now, to control the visual front-end aspects of the website, which is what your visitors will see, WordPress requires the use of what's called a theme. So for this method, I'll be building with the Divi theme, which is made by a company called Elegant Themes, and is also one of the most popular WordPress themes used today. I also already have the Divi theme installed and activated, so once again, if you need help with that part, just head over to easybuild.works for more tutorials, as well as access to the Divi theme and other tools used in this video. Now I'm over in my WordPress dashboard. This is part of the WordPress where all of the building takes place and front-end users will not see. So I'm going to go in here and we are going to add a new page. Just going to call this Demo 1 for now. And we're going to use the Divi builder. And now it's going to ask us if we want to build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or build with AI. And first off here, we will build with AI, then we'll come back and check out the pre-made layouts. So it's going to give you some options here. It's going to ask for a little bit of input. And I'm just going to tell it to create a homepage for my interior design business. And then we're going to give Divi a little bit of input on, some background about your business, maybe just a few quick facts that it can incorporate into the content that it's going to generate. Now you can also customize fonts and colors, or you can let Divi AI just choose all of these options for you. I'm going to leave it at that for the time being. And you can also, when you describe the page that you want Divi to create, you can give it as much input as you want. For instance, you can just say create a home page or create a contact page, whatever you would like to do. Or you can give it more specific information, such as include a slideshow section to showcase designs along with customer testimonial section and contact form. So I'm going to go with that, and we're going to click generate layout. Now this process here will take a few minutes, so just be patient while it's generating all of the content and images behind the scenes. Then it's going to process imagery after generating its first steps. Okay, so now it has transferred all of that over to the visual builder. And you can save the fonts and colors that it generated for future layouts. Say you like what you see and you want to save all those for your contact page, about page, everything of that nature. You could click yes please to save this up here. Or if you don't like it, you can always put no thanks. I'm going to click no thanks, not because I don't like it, but because this is just a demonstration and I'm not saving that. Now keep in mind, this is using my logo that I have already built for my business. So those colors may not match up there. I would be doing a little bit different header for an actual live site if I were building one. But let's scroll through here and see what it generated. And this is all through the use of AI. Now, obviously, if you have an interior design company, you might have your own pictures that you would like to upload and showcase, which is perfectly fine and normal. But this is what it generated for the input I gave it. And here's a testimonial section. Even generated AI images there. However, obviously, if you were doing that, you would probably upload your own there as well. As you can see, they're right there at the specific elements I asked it to. That's the testimonial section and the contact form it included. And that was pretty quick and painless. With just a couple sentences of input, it generated this design. And I can't tell you how much time this would save, from my early days of hand coding everything and even building from scratch with the Divi theme, having something to start off of and just build from there. It may generate something that you like right off the bat, and that's great, or you may want to go edit some of these. Now, obviously, all of this content is editable. And for the Divi theme, whether you're building from scratch or with a pre-made layout or here with AI, everything is broken down into what we call sections, rows, and modules. And you can see those here in the builder. When you hover like to an edge or something, you'll see a blue box pop up, and that is a section. Then if you go further in, you're going to see a green box pop up, and that's a row. And if you go a little bit further in, you're going to see a gray box, which that's what's called a module. Now, the modules are where the actual content resides, such as all of your text and images. The sections and rows are what's used to provide the layout functionality. And these you can drag these anywhere or rearrange them or change column structure. If you don't like that there, you could drag this, down below here somewhere. Obviously, I kind of liked it where it was, but kind of get the idea there. And with these, so if you want to edit something, you click on a module, and you can edit all of this text anywhere in here. So obviously, you change it to your business name or any other content you want to add. Click X and just keep what's there for the moment. But that's literally how easy it is to build with this. Now you can go through, you can keep adding images, any other elements you want, or if you want to add your own testimonials in here, you can go and add your own. Then you could just click Save, Publish. When it's done, we're going to publish this page. And now I'm going to exit the Visual Builder. And we're going to view this on the front end without the Visual Builder elements in the way. And this is actually live on my website now. So it was literally that quick. Obviously, it takes a little bit. You would go through and update the content, like I said before, with your company content. Now you can go through and do this for all of the pages that you need. An about page, contact page, anything of that nature. So you can go through and build multiple pages extremely quickly with Divi AI, have a complete website in literally minutes compared to much longer time, waiting on a professional to do it or somebody hand coding or something of that nature. So what we're going to do now is go back to the dashboard, and we're going to check out the Divi pre-made layouts. And they are just as professional and useful, in my opinion. Go over here and add another page. Just going to call this Demo 2. Click Use Divi Builder. Now it's going to take us to the visual editor, and now I'm going to click Choose a Premade Layout. And you can see here there's a lot of different categories that you can search by, and they have layouts and layout packs for pretty much about any industry that you can imagine, whether it's construction or, if you're a hairdresser or e-commerce stores, restaurants, really anything. You can type it in here and search for something and find something to work with. These are all designed by professionals and very useful. Let's just stick with that same business idea for this demo as well, and clicked on Art and Design here. And I'm sure there is an interior design layout in here somewhere. Aha, right here is one. And you can see the layout packs, they have pre-made designs for all of these pages already. So you don't have to go through like with AI and create one. You can just download all these packs, you install them, and then you have all these pages ready to go with a template already there. You would just go through and obviously put your own company information on each page. So let's just check out home page here. We're going to use this layout. And again, this will take, maybe a few minutes. There's a lot of images that it has to download transfer from the servers to your hosting account. So this does take a few minutes, but it's pretty painless. Okay, so as it's finishing up there, go ahead and click Publish. Exit the Visual Builder and see it as it's transferred over. And here you go. This is using a pre-made layout. Now, once again, this is incorporating my business logo that I'm already using on my website. So that obviously does not match. You would have your own logo that you would design or have designed that would be used to match the layout. And once again, all of these sections are editable. Let's go back and enable Visual Builder. And once you're in the Visual Builder, you can see once again the boxes that I discussed previously with the sections, the rows, and the modules. And you would just go in here if you don't like that image or you want to change it out. Change it right there. Divi AI is also available whether you're building from scratch or editing a pre-made template. See, I could click this AI button and tell it to edit the image with AI. There's a lot of options here that you can edit the image if you don't like it. If you are not comfortable with some of the content and you can't think of something, you can go in here and say generate content with AI. It's going to pull information that you already have on your website and try to generate something relevant back for you. And let's go ahead and exit out of the Visual Builder. We're going to save and exit. And now once again, this was a layout pack. There are, it has a matching design for every page that you need on your site, such as the About page, contact page, things of that nature. So all you do is you just go and you load the layout for every page. You go through here and you edit your content and you're done. So whether you just need a simple online business presence or an e-commerce store selling products and processing online payments, you can do it all with WordPress and Divi. I've been building websites now for over 15 years, and WordPress along with the Divi theme is now the only platform I use to build a website for both clients and myself. If you want to learn how to quickly and easily build your own website or online store from start to finish and get access to the tools used in this video at just a fraction of the cost of buying them all separately, join us at easybuild.works. Hope to see you there.